What's up, y'all? It's your boy Will, aka Iron Will. I'm sweating. Whew. This is a crazy workout on this bag. Century Wavemaster XXL. Check me out, IronWillAthletics.la. Wonderful Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna show y'all what this bag is about. Best thing on the market, guaranteed. Let's go. All right, y'all, so here it is, Wavemaster XXL. You have the bag here, you have the base. It essentially comes like this package. So you have the option to either fill it up with water and or sand. I think if you fill it up all with water, it's about 270 pounds. Water and sand, it's a little over maybe about 320 or something like that. But it's very easy. There's a little piece at the bottom, fits in like a puzzle piece. So before you put water in it, you flip the base over, put that little piece inside, flip it back, fill it with water, take the bag. Bag comes like this, all wrapped, nice and easy. Just plug it in there, and then you twist the bag until it fits, and then you get over that hump, lock it into place. Now this is good because sometimes standing heavy bags can be completely attached. And that can be real difficult for like traveling. Say if you want to bring it somewhere, if you have a small car, probably won't be able to fit that in the trunk. It might be hectic to even get it in the back seat. So with a setup like this, you just empty out the water, detach the bag from the base, and put it wherever you want. Really light without the water in it, or without whatever you fill it in it. And then, yeah, it's ready to rock. All right, so I'm gonna get these gloves on. Shout out to RDX Sports, one of the best sports gear, fight gear manufacturers on the planet. Beautiful gloves. Let's get to work. Again, because I already did this. I'm about 245, and even with shots that I'm loading up, heavy shots, the bag doesn't really move. Right? It gives a little bit. So if you hit it, you can see how it gives. It's kind of wobbling within the space in the base, but that's a good thing. You don't want to hit a stone pillar. You don't want to hit something that's just not going to move. You're not going to have too much fun when your wrist and shoulder ache after a while. Too much kinetic energy, especially if you're a power puncher. Right, you want to give it a little bit. Now you'll see as well, the base or the entirety of the bag will move if I give it a good shot. Right? But it's not the worst, right? Especially if you got a little space like this. Right? It helps you manage your own movement as a fighter. You don't want to be stationary right in front of the bag. You want to practice your own movement too when you're hitting this bag. Right, really just work in a lot of what you can. Right, work your own skills. You know what I mean? But the best thing about this bag is that it just stands up. It stands up to the punishment. I've been hitting this bag now for about 2.5 months. Barely anywhere. You can obviously see where I've been hitting it the most based on the ripples and the leather, but still. I get great workouts on this. It's not gonna knock over. I mean, unless you're giving it like a side kick. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. If you give it a side kick, I haven't tried that. I have knocked over with a punch, jab cross, but it was once, and I really had to give it some. You're not punching like that if you're working your combos. Now you just saw, I'm giving it good shots. It ain't going nowhere. Right? This bag is about an average of $300 to $350. Great price for what you get. Right? 1 year warranty. You're not going to find many other bags at that price point that can stand up to the punishment like this bag can. If you do find another bag, it will be more expensive, and it most likely won't be worth your money. Alright? Alright, it just works. It's a great bag. Now I will say, there's one thing down towards the base here. It's actually more the base of the bag itself. Maybe the foam is coming out a little bit. I've been smashing this thing, but I don't think that's anything significant. It's not going to come out too much more. Even if it does, the foam is actually stuck to the beam that's in the middle of the bag. So if anything, it's just this wrapping that might be coming out. You just pull it back, put the bag upside down, pull it back on itself, pull the wrapping back on the foam. It should be no problem. And yeah, jabs. Obviously, with a standing bag, it's always difficult to do uppercuts, right? It kind of works though. It's not the worst because it gives like that. It gives you a little breathing room. All right, stands up to kicks well. You know, either leg. No problem there. It's good. It's good standing bag, guys. Like I said, I got mine from Amazon. They come in black, red, blue. If you find a better one, let me know. Alright, y'all, like I said, it's your boy Will, aka Iron Will. Hope y'all like the Century Wavemaster XXL review. Like and subscribe below. IronWillAthletics.la. Check me out there. You find a lot more content like this. It's beautiful. Let me know if you're in LA. You want to spar? Friendly spars. Learn from each other. Flow. Right? I love talking about boxing, kickboxing, technique, theory, combinations, anything to help us improve, get better. Y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.